Alright, DDC here once again. Today I have a time lapse to show you. This will be me upgrading my personal rig to a Haswell system. This upgrade was not planned. The specs that you are about to see installed is not for me. It's actually for an office computer build. By the way, if you want to see that video, subscribe. So, I bought the parts for an office computer. Later, I found out that that client needs a Paria port. Those old school printer ports. And turns out the board that I bought doesn't have one. So, I swapped with it. I told the client, he agreed with me, so I swapped with it. I swapped my personal Core i5 2500 with a Core i3 4150. You might think I lose a lot. Actually, I gain a little bit. Process aside, I didn't lose much. When I ran the test, it was about the same. I gained USB 3.0. I also gained SATA 6. These are the two things which I need the most. Alright, I'm just gonna roll the times now. Enjoy, stay subscribed, like, comment, whatever you want. Thank you.